Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the weekdays and the weekend programs on your LuxPro PSP511LCa Thermostat in 2026. So first of all, you need to open this particular compartment in order to access all the buttons on the thermostat. Now over here, you need to simply locate the large rotatory dial on the thermostat and you need to turn this dial from run to set. So once this is done, the display will switch to the programming screen where you will begin creating your weekdays schedule. So the PSP511 LCA supports separate programs from Monday through Friday and Saturday through Sunday. So the first setting that you will see is usually the wake period for the weekdays. So you need to simply use the up and the down buttons to select the time that you would wake up on the weekdays. So this is when the thermostat will begin adjusting the temperature for the start of the day. After selecting the wake up time, you just have to simply press next on the thermostat. And now you need to adjust the desirable temperature for that particular period using these arrow buttons. Just choose a comfortable temperature for the time when the people are typically at home and active. Now you need to continue pressing the next button and you need to move through the remaining weekdays period. So the leave is when everyone leaves home. You can select return when people come back home. You can select sleep when there is nighttime temperature setting. So for each period you can set both the time and the temperature, and the thermostat will automatically switch between these settings throughout the day. So on the weekdays, the program is completed and the thermostat will move to the weekend schedule. So you need to repeat the same process for wake, leave, return and sleep. And since weekends routines are often different, you can choose completely different times and temperatures than your weekday schedule. So after programming all the periods, simply rotate the dial back to run and the thermostat will automatically save the schedule and begin following it according to the current day and the time. Just make sure that the clock is set correctly, otherwise the schedule may not run when expected. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.